Yeah, for real. Do as I say, don't mimic me. Your best rapper is excited to meet me. You know what's up, boo. Mina kwanga lit. No sino kage WhatsApp groups delete me. I talking bamba, they will release me. I got the number to the commissioner. I'm really living, but they limit me. I'm really talking, me, I've been listening. You take caution when you deal with me. Now go ahead and tell your bosses it's the new regime. I'm wrong, that's why they gotta act like they're cool with me. Oh no, beat the shot daddy before I'm through with it. Baby, I wanna see you next year. Seeing you every day, nani katsia wetulia. Sunajua supenda my first year. Kwa miezi mbili alafu tunaachia. I get money, then I get money, then I get money, then I get money, then I get more. Fuck me, you can fuck Slim, you can fuck Kim, you can pop pills, baby girl, don't you get bored? Wakiuliza wambia I said so. Ndio tumeanza nako like baby let go. Fresh lyrics coming off the fucking techno. Ali try to let teriaka. Hopes won't sleep. I said the hopes won't sleep. They won't have no peace. Nigga alidhani nitakuja one man. Look at me, see I really did the opposite. Pull up with the gang, leave your hot block lit. I leave your hot block lit. One more time now. Pull up with the gang, leave your hot block lit. I leave your hot blood clot block lit now. Oh Lord have mercy. Last time we was lucky, I loved it. Pull up jeans that in on my last day. She gave me her best friend for my birthday. Scott day, always with the wrong things. With the Mandelas we never relax. I told my son to be the best at whatever he does. You are